Select which notifications clients will receive. Keeping your clients up to date is essential for maintaining strong relationships and efficient workflows. You can adjust client notification settings in several ways to control which system notifications they receive. Under the Info tab of the account profile, you'll find the Notify checkbox, which helps manage system notifications sent to specific clients. You can turn it off completely or choose which types of notifications the client will receive. When the Notify checkbox is checked for an email address in the Contacts section, the person associated with that email will receive system notifications. To customize which notifications your client should receive, select the three dots next to the email address. Choose Notification Preferences from the menu. From the Notification Preferences panel, you can control which types of notifications the client will receive. For example, if you have a client who only needs to be notified about signature requests, you can uncheck all other options except for signature requests. This way, the client will only be notified when they need to sign something, along with any reminders about signatures. Once you've configured the notification preferences, save your changes. You can also manage notification preferences in bulk. Let's say tax season is approaching, and you want to ensure that all of your clients receive organizer notifications. From the Accounts page, filter by tag to select all your tax clients. Once selected, select the three dots on the far right and choose Edit Login, Notify Email Sync. For the Notify setting, select Enable for all contacts from the drop-down. Check Customize Notification Preferences to reveal the notification options. Make sure that the Organizer's checkbox is checked and uncheck any others you don't want. Save your changes and note that this action will apply to all selected contacts.